5 myths about selling a home. Myth: renovations always yield a higher resale value. Reality: while some renovations can add value, not all improvements guarantee a significant return on investment. Prioritize upgrades that are likely to appeal to a broad range of buyers. Myth: you should always start with a high listing price $, and negotiate down. Reality: pricing too high initially may result in fewer showings and less interest. A well-researched, market-driven price is crucial to attract the right buyers. Myth: you can't sell a home in winter. Reality: while spring and summer are typically busier, homes can sell in any season, in colder months. Myth: open houses are the best way to sell a home. Reality: while open houses can be useful, the majority of serious buyers schedule private showings. Online listings and targeted marketing often play a more significant role. Myth: the exterior does matter as much as the interior. Reality: curb appeal is crucial. The first impression a buyer has of your home is often from the outside. A well-maintained exterior can set the stage for a positive viewing experience. Myth: all real estate agents are the same.